Hey everyone, it's Jeff back out in my shop today. It's almost Mother's Day, and so we'll be making a Mother's Day gift for my wife today. So shh, don't tell her what it is yet. Now, since this will be an outdoor project, we're going to use cedar for this because it's naturally weather resistant. I like to use these cedar fence boards for this type of project. You can pick these up at Home Depot for about $3.50 a piece. I think they're actually a little bit less than that. So they're really affordable. Alright, so there's another squirrel feeder. Hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and go ahead and share it with people that you think might find it useful. Really hope you're enjoying my videos. Appreciate you watching. If you would, give me a subscribe and also check out some of my other videos. And we'll see you next time. Oh yeah, hey, if you like my new sunglasses, I'll drop a link down there in the description where I got these at Amazon. I think they're pretty cool. Thanks for watching.